National Institute of Technology Tiruchirappalli is ranked 9th by NIRF 2023 under the Engineering category, 35th by NIRF 2023 under the Management category, and 4th by NIRF 2023 under the Architecture category. NITT Tiruchirappalli is ranked 781 to 790 by the QS World University Rankings 2024, 73 by the QS Asian University Rankings, Southern Asia Category 2024, and 301 to 350 by the QS Asian University Rankings 2024 category. NIT Trichy, formerly known as Regional Engineering College, was established in 1964. NIT Trichy offers a wide variety of over 52 courses at undergraduate, postgraduate, and other levels. Admission to NIT Trichy is based on either entrance exams, merit, or a combination of both, depending on the course. The university accepts scores from various entrance exams, including JEE Main, GATE, and CAT, for different courses. NIT Trichy Placements 2023 is in progress. NIT Trichy highest package increased by 32% to 52.89 LPA. NIT Trichy average package stood at 27.27 LPA for the CSE batch, 23 LPA for the IS batch, and 19.30 LPA for A batch. The highest package was received by CSE, IS, AE and ICE branches. Recruiters like Google, Honeywell, HP, HDFC Bank, Microsoft, Morgan Stanley, Facebook participated in NIT Trichy Placements 2023.